Namaste friends, welcome to Learn J, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a simple but yet very lacy lace pattern titled Beaded Diamond Pico Lace. It gets its beaded name because it's got beads worked into it. So to work the lace we need to thread the beads before we begin our work. Okay, this particular small sample, I worked with my hobby store DK special yarn and I have used a glass beads over here. So these glass beads give a little weight to your laces and it will nicely hang wherever you place it as the edgings. Okay, so let's go into the video without any delay. Chain multiples of 7 plus 2. So I chain 23. Now place one single crochet each in each of the chains starting from the second chain from the hook. So I'm going to place my single crochets in the back bump of the chains. So make the single crochet row. I shall complete the single crochet row and get back to you. So at the end of the foundation single crochet row, chain 1, turn your work, place a single crochet on top of the very first stitch. This is the wrong side we're working. Now chain 2, place the bead at the base of the hook. Chain 3, one minute, the stitch has become loose for me. Chain 3, place bead, one more bead at the base of the hook. Chain 2, so chain 2, place bead, chain 3, place bead, chain 2. Now skip 6 stitches, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and place a single crochet in the next stitch. So your stitch repeat is chain 2, place bead, chain 3, place bead, chain 2, skip 6 stitches and place a single crochet in the next. So complete the row and I shall also complete and get back. Now for row 2, chain 2, place the bead. You need to turn your work. And one may see in chain space between these two beads. Chain 2, after placing the bead, chain 3 and place the bead again, one more bead. Now chain 2, and after making this set of stitches, place a single crochet between the space of these two beads of the previous round. So the stitch repeat is chain 2, place the bead under the base of the hook, chain 3, place one more bead, under the base of the hook, chain 2. Now place your single crochet between the next 2 beads. On the single crochet here. Not on the single crochet, between the chain space of this next set of 2 beads. So this is a stitch repeat. Chain 2, place a bead, chain 3, place a bead, chain 2, single crochet between the 2 beads in the chain space. So let us make one more. Chain 2, place the bead, chain 3 now, place one more bead, chain 2, and single crochet between the sets of these 2 beads. Now chain 2, place a bead, chain 3, place a bead, chain 2, single crochet on the very first single crochet here. So repeat the instructions for row 2 to the desired depth of this lace. Otherwise you can stop at this particular point. This is just the sample swatch that we have made here. So hope you like the small effort of ours. If you happen to be the first time viewer, or if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please do so. Do like and share our videos. Do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you're notified of the videos that we upload every other day. Bye for now. Have a great day. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video.